In this tutorial, you will learn a step-by-step approach on how to use lookup function in Excel for Mac. Lookup function is useful when you need to find things in a table or arrange by row. For example, you want to find an employee name based on their employee ID. The lookup function performs a vertical lookup by searching for a value in the first column of a table and returning the value in the same row. It supports approximate and exact matching. An important note, the lookup value must appear in the first column of the table where you want to look for the value. In our example, employee IDs need to be in the first column of the table from where we will extract the employee's name. Essentially, the lookup function says what we want to look up, where we want to look for it, the column number in the range containing the value to return, whether to return approximate indicated as 1 or true, or exact match indicated as 0 or false. There are 4 pieces of information that we will need in order to build the lookup function. First, we require the lookup value, the value we want to look up in the first column of the search area, aka the table. Secondly, the range where the lookup value is located. I need to stress again the importance of having the lookup value in the first column in the range. If the lookup value is not in the first column, the lookup value will not work correctly. For example, if our lookup value will be in cell D2, then our range should start from D. Here we start from A to D. Thirdly, we require the column number in the range that contains the return value. So in our case, that's 2. 1, 2. Always remember to count the column numbers from the lookup value onwards. Meaning, if the lookup value would be in column D, then that would be the column number 1. Lastly, you can optionally specify whether you want to find an approximate match by typing 1 or true, or do you want an exact match by typing false or 0. The default value will always be true or approximate match. Now we just press enter and voila, we have the name of the employee as our return value. Thank you for watching. If you liked the tutorial, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Excel for Mac tutorials.